A responsible government must balance the books while balancing people's lives. The public debt is now below 100% of GDP. Below. And GDP is recovering from the effects of the pandemic. We believe that Jamaica can afford to slow the pace of debt reduction at this time and use those resources to help the people get through these most difficult times. On the other hand, the negative social impact of continued excessive fiscal conservatism when we're in a crisis will do lasting damage to the society. I would support additional expenditures of up to 2% of GDP to address the critical needs facing the society. That's about $40 billion. It is time to focus on helping our people. It is not the time for excessive fiscal conservatism.